Yes. Did you get your results?
I didn't check results for assignment 2.
Okay. In assignment one?
I got results. I got 100%.
Oh, wow. That's good. So we're getting good, right?
Yes,
All
getting
right.
there. I'm just worried about the exams now.
And don't worry about it. That's why you came here. Okay? So we can get it
Okay.
done. We come here. Okay. Otherwise, you good, good, good?
No, I'm good, good, good.
Okay, cool. Did you get your results
See?
for assignment one and two?
Assignment 1 and 2.
Yes. Did you get your results?
I didn't check results for assignment 2.
Okay. In assignment one?
I got results. I got 100%.
Oh, so that's, let me keep. You understand what I'm saying? So that
Yes.
when you're not here, and then I have a class with other, and they share with you. But when I have a class with you, and then also the other one, just in case, because not all the days. Some days people they go through some, they don't attend for some reason. You understand? And then it get
Okay.
easy beneficial. That's okay.
No, that's fine.
Okay, cool. Also, it's beneficial. I mean, after 20 years, you look back like, oh, that time I was doing GSC. See, you just look at yourself like, oh my God, this DSC I did twice. Okay, okay. Let me just tell this other story.
If y'all want to reach out, how do we pronounce your name? Let me try. Wait, let me try.
Mtwana Wabantu.
Okay.
Mtwana Wabantu.
Mtwana Wabantu. Okay.
Yes, watching here, they can learn from me that, relationship is very, very important. And, sometimes don't look about today. You might scam somebody maybe $1, but you don't know who that person is. You know what I'm saying?
This is the thing too, that for many a years I've always been that person to try to link, hook up, pass on, or help people because I used to know a lot of people, right?
Hore o re thuse re tlhoka thuso ya gago Mr. Mtwana wa bantu ke a leboga. Everyone, my name is Biko. The reason why I'm doing this video is because of Mtwana wa bantu. It's because of the help of Mtwana wa bantu. Mtwana wa bantu is a nice guy who help people like me who don't afford torture.
And that's exactly what you're saying, is that, these people who are scammers and try to get over on people, and all they're doing is living from day.
Oh, is that Mike? Is that, hold on, it look like some, what's your name, bro, at the bottom right? Mtwana. Right? Mtwana.
I don't know how to say it.
I apologize. My mic was muted. I apologize. I'm sorry.
It's okay. What's up, y'all?
Not much cooling. Hey man, I watch you all the time. I just want to give my thanks to you, man. Cause me and my lady.
You said kind of gay when you said
Uh,
15.
QMI, I've just saw it. I haven't done it. I don't even want to do it.
You're not gonna do it. I don't think. Which program are you doing?
I believe that is a hectic module. I'm doing BCom Business Management.
Okay. You might. I'm not quite sure. I don't know. Okay, cool.
I don't have it on my modules. I've checked them. I don't have it.
Okay. Wow. So I'm Twana. I believe you know me, right? Twana. And hey, Lina Matle. I'll call you a full name for respect, okay? Lina Matle. Let's get started. So I'm thinking let's start with assignment 2, okay? Why? Because assignment 1 is easy, walk in the park. Assignment 23, it confused a lot of students, even last semester. Okay? So we're going to start with assignment 2. And assignment 2 is more of the derivative or differentiation. Yeah. So I'm gonna send you the one that we did the assignment too.
Thank you for giving us clothes. Thank you for looking after us. We appreciate your clothes and your shoes you're giving for us. She does he give us clothes. We don't have clothes, but you're giving us something. He's looking after us.
Okay, Shamil, tell them, when did you last go to school?
I was going last year. Last time I was going to school.
Which grade was that?
I was grade 9.
That was grade 9. Yeah. That's the last time you went to school. So you know you can become engineer. You can become scientist, right? Yeah. I was also on the street. I think I'll tell you every time, right?
3 years you said.
3 years I was down the streets, okay? So I was just like you, okay? I was also on the street for 3 years. But I came out of the street and that changed my life, okay? So, yo, what's up, man?
Yeah,
how you doing, bro? Yo, what's up, man? Hey, what's up? Okay, cool. You see, I was also on the street for 3 years, okay? Say hello to the brother, man. This is my brother, man. How you doing, man? Cool. So I got a lot of clothes for you, okay? You remember I told you I was gonna go and get clothes, shoes. I got some food. I'm gonna buy you some food, okay? Huh? Yes. No problem, man. Come on, man. You know brother got your back. What did I tell you last time?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So Shamil, he said he stopped last year, right?